Hey everybody, this is Justin Link with the Realty team and eXp Realty, and I want to welcome you to Zumbrota and show you this beautiful new construction home at 946 Golfview Avenue. This 2,500 square foot home has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths with a lot of great details to offer. So let's go in and take a look. As we walk into this 2,500 square foot home, you cannot help but get your eyes drawn to the detail they put into this new construction home. From the ceilings to the open floor plan, I can't wait to show you what they have to offer in this house. So as we walk in, you can't help but notice how open everything is. How you got great views in the back, the detail they put into the ceiling, just a great big open space with plenty of countertops and easy access to all your appliances. And then of course you got your living room and the patio. It's a closed patio. But you know with this place you're going to have nobody behind you except a park for the kids. And as we go, of course, you got your nice big giant living space to have family game night or however you want to do that into our master bedroom. And of course you got the same detail. Beautiful ceiling, detailed ceiling, private bathroom, and walk-in closet, which has a lot of great space to hold anything you'd like to hold. You gotta appreciate the open space. As we head towards the downstairs, you got your typical bathroom for your guests, another bedroom right here. So what's great about this new construction home too is you have a finished basement. Nice big open living area with utilities, space for washer dryer, and of course your 2 other bedrooms and a bathroom. Great space, a lot of great natural light coming in as well. You got natural light from both sides. Again, you're not going to see anybody behind you except a nice big field to play around in. So as you can tell, this brand new construction home with over 2,500 square feet has a lot to offer. So why don't you reach out today to find out how this home could be your next home. We'll see you later.